The Democratic Alliance Party before court on Tuesday, its latest attempt to challenge a new employment law.
This case is about flexibility. Whatever the state does, government does, to achieve an object that we all agreed with, broad representative of the population. It may not cross the line, may not cross the impermissible line between setting targets or goals, which you hope to achieve in a structured, rational manner, and setting targets that are so rigid or so rigidly applied that they constitute a quota. That is not constitutional.
The legal challenge by the DA takes aim at amendments to the Employment Equity Amendment Act, which came into effect in January. Intended to get companies to diversify their staff, the new laws have divided South Africa's unity government. The DA's coalition partner, the African National Congress, has defended the act, saying it corrects past inequalities and is necessary to address the stark reality of ongoing racial disparities in South Africa's workforce, where white people remain significantly overrepresented in senior positions, and major trade unions agree.
The top leaders of the DA are themselves white, and therefore they just can't see. Yesterday they had a press conference with three white people addressing the media, talking about employment equity, just how the optics of it are all wrong. Why do they continue doing these things? They're just pandering to their constituency.
But in court on Tuesday, the DA argued the law violates the Constitution's anti-discrimination clauses, claiming it establishes rigid quotas rather than aspirational targets. Their stance: race laws are a burden which discourage private sector investment in South Africa.
We've done many surveys of potential investors who decide not to invest or who disinvest from South Africa, and they name electricity uncertainty and race laws as the primary factor that drive away investment.
The topic of race laws have been especially heated in South Africa since US President Donald Trump condemned President Ramaphosa's government for alleged racial discrimination against its white population. Trump even went as far as offering some white South Africans refugee status, and the DA's latest case is only expected to highlight the ongoing tension between redress for past injustices and the need for economic growth in a nation still grappling with its past. Najma Abdurazak, CGTN.